Hi guys, it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Hey, hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, I know which YouTuber I'm getting that off of, but I've got to stop. It's her loving saying, oh, I will put her name, oh, what is it, Thrift Thick? Thrift Thick, that is her name. Oh my gosh, I gotta stop taking that. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a ColourPop haul. If you are coming from my video that I posted, and I will put it at the end of this video as well as in an eye up here, where I did this beautiful look you see here with just Super Shock shadows, then leave a like on this video. I just want to see, you know, who clicked. Alright guys, so yeah, let's get into this haul. If you guys enjoy my videos, make sure you subscribe, you know, click that red button, and I'm sure you will find something that you love on my channel. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna find something. Alright guys, so yeah, and like this video if you did come from my previous video, or just like it because you enjoy me, you know, leave a comment down below. If you guys enjoy these videos where I kind of explain how I, like, first impressions wise. Anyway, you know how my hauls go. Alright guys, get into it. So let's get into this haul. So the first thing, I have to pull it out right away, and I have used pretty much all of these products already. I am not the type of person that does sometimes I have known to do like some unboxings, but most of the time I've had these products for a couple days and I've at least swatched and tried them a little bit, so I can give you a little bit of information on them. Alright, so these are the, put that down. These are the ColourPop Supernova Shadows, and they come in a box like that, and it's got like this Supernova Galaxy type deal, and I got 3 of them. I'm going to do a dedicated video on these because I think there is something to be said about them. A lot of people are having a hard time with these, and then a lot of people love them. Honestly, I tried these, but I've tried 2 of the 3 out, and I have Mothership, I have Moonlit, and I have UFO. And what I think, I'm just going to give you guys a show of these. So they're just like standard kind of lip gloss packaging, and as I swatch them on my hand to show you guys, I'm just going to tell you, like, I think you guys need to get a glitter glue with these before you say you have trouble with them on the lids. The only one that I seem to have trouble with was a Mothership needed to be built up a little bit, but other than that, like, look at how pretty those are. They're absolutely gorgeous. They are not like the Glitter and Glows, in my opinion. I think they're more on the shimmery side than the glittery side. Mothership does have a bit of silver glitter in it. They all have some glitter in it, but it transfers more like a foiled eyeshadow than it does like a full-on glitter like the Glitter and Glows. So just a little bit of information on that one. So next product I was so excited to get because everyone's been talking about it. It's going to be hard for me not to do like a full video. It might even just be like a 5-minute video of me like putting it on my face and whatnot, but I did buy the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and it comes in this like cute, very baby pink. Like, people are really getting into this kind of like baby pink packaging, and it comes in, again, I think, yes, it comes in their standard tube, just like, ooh, it might be a teensy bit. Nope, it's the exact same size as their Supernova Shadows, and I have the color Fair Neutral, which is 1.0, and this is a pretty good concealer. I've tried it twice now, and it does have quite a, like, the coverage is good. Like, it's not anywhere near like the, I like the Benefit Erase Paste. It's very thick and emollient, but this is a good concealer. Like, I'm going to probably make this one of my go-to everyday concealers if it works out, you know, a few more times for me, because it has been working out. Oh, and it does oxidize a teensy bit. Like, I just want to show you, this is the color in the tube. Here, you know what? We'll do this. as you can see, this color is what was out of the tube, and this is the color it turned to, which for me, I'm kind of happy because this color was a little bit light for me. I don't know if I subconsciously did that because I saw a review or what, but I'm kind of happy I did that because it does tend to oxidize. I am wearing it today though, and it does look, it's a little bit drying. I'm gonna do a video. All right, another thing that I have been loving, and thank you, I finally got a color that was perfect for me. This is the ColourPop brow color, and it's their pomade. I have really been trying to sculpt my brows lately. I've been really trying to get a good brow. I have terrible brows. My brows are just, they're terrible. So being able to learn to pencil them in properly, being able to, you know, fill them in properly is something that I need to learn. So yeah, I've been using the e.l.f. stencils. If you saw my Best of Beauty, you know that. I will link that right here if you guys are interested in going to see it. But anyway, I've been trying to find a brow gel that, and I'm not sure if this is a brow cream or a brow gel. It's very pigmented, and it is like not too creamy, but it's creamy enough where I can almost make those like hair-like strokes at the beginning, and then it's like, what am I trying to say? I feel like I'm out of words today. It's pigmented enough where I don't have to go over it 1,000 times either. So, oh, and the color is perfect. I was looking for a darker brown that is more on the gray side because a lot of the brow products I have are blonde, because I was blonde before I went to my red color. And yeah, anyway, so pretty good actually. Another small little thing, I love the cream gel liners. I wanted to get some of their pot liners. They don't sell them anymore. So yeah, I had to settle for getting another one of their pen liners. This one is in Teaspoon, and these are just so good. Like, they're just so good. They're creamy, they work great. Even after you've had them for quite a long time, they do get a little bit hard, but they're still like, you know, able to go on the waterline. I've had two for probably like a year now, and they're still quite creamy. All right, the two Super Shock shadows that I got were Banana Daiquiri and Coconut. Coconut I used in my tutorial, so go check that out. Also, I picked up something that was in the sale section. Both of these things actually were in the sale section. This one is the Legit AF highlighting kit. They do sell this at Sephora as well, and it is on sale at Sephora, as well as everything that was in their range for Sephora is on sale right now. And this one comes with 3 highlighters, and the highlighters are, we're going to use one too right now because I did not highlight today. So the 3 that you get, and this one is so pretty, not one that you would wear on a regular basis, but it's called Over the Moon. And it is this, oh, you can't see that very well. It is kind of glittery, I will admit to that, but it is so pretty. It's this holographic kind of pink with pink shift and glitter in it. See that shift? It's very pretty. I do like it quite a bit. I wore it yesterday, I think. Was it yesterday or was it the day before? Oh, I'm going to put some pictures up on Instagram of that look because I was pretty proud of it. But yeah, they come with that one, and then they come with Spoon, which I love their highlighters. I'm going to put this highlighter right here, which is Smoke and Whistles, in my project pan because I want to be able to use these products. So anyway, they are so buttery and so creamy. This one is in Spoon. And it is just a very pretty champagne. And then they have Wisp, which is a little bit darker and more bronzy. But I'm pretty sure I can still get away with this one. And then here are them swatched. See, Wisp is just like the tiniest bit more on the bronzy side, and I'm actually going to use Wisp today. I like this, this is the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. I actually really like it for these, but I do use my fingers as well. I'm just like pointing my mirror. And see, it just gives like such a pretty glow to the face. And it doesn't like get into my pores or anything. Like sometimes I find that highlighters, especially cream ones, can get into my pores really easily and just look a mess. These ones work so nicely. They just bam. And I don't like, see, I don't really have that gray tone there either. And that's really nice. Alright guys, so that is that. That is the, oh, I have one more thing. Oh my gosh, how could I have forgotten? This is like the best thing. I did get a palette, and it is the All I See Is Magic, and I'm going to do a full review swatches demo with this baby. Hopefully I'll have enough time to do a demo. Oh, I'm going to do that tomorrow. And the palette looks like this. This is a very pretty palette. I love eyeshadows, and that is my weakness. I have 4 different eyeshadow palettes coming from Juvia's Place. Come on, answer your emails, please. Anyway, that's a different story. And then I have the new Violet Voss palette coming. It's probably going to be here by the time this is up. But yeah, guys, I love eyeshadows, and this is really pretty. I'm not sure if it's like I love every single shade in here like to death, but this was on sale and I thought it was really pretty. Stay tuned for my conclusiveness. Alright guys, well that is it. Oh, the packaging they're doing, like the Golden State of Mind, that is, the packaging is so beautiful on that. This one is also very pretty. It is an ombre from blue to white, and then they like start the ombre again. It's so pretty, guys. And the shades in here work very well. I found that these were a little bit more powdery than my other ones. I'm going to have to check. And I'm thinking about doing like a full palette of all my ColourPop palettes just because I want to kind of have them together. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was my haul. And stay tuned because there is going to be a Project Pan coming up this week. And there is also going to be a couple of videos about how I feel and like brands that I want to try in 2018 and brands that I don't think I will ever purchase from ever. Alright, so if you guys are interested in seeing those videos, then make sure you stay tuned. I love you guys so much and have a really wonderful new year. It's like not that far like from New Year. Wow. So yeah, guys, 2018, how's it been doing ya? Comment down below. Love you guys so much. Mwah!